Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to Pegasus work. In this video, you're going to learn a very quick and simple step. Now without further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to open up the preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. At the very top, let's type in Pegasus work login, since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Now you may come across a various options even with the same names, but make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. You may know it with the logo as well, So yeah, now you'll be greeted with the login page. All you gotta do is fill in this right here with your email address. The very first, let's type in our email like that, and your password. And that's it. All you gotta do is hit in that login button and you'll be logged into your Pegasus work, and you'll have access to all the features that Pegasus has to offer. That's it. If you want more helpful videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Basics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.